Hello. This is Retro Rooster. This song is called Micropenis. I hope you enjoy. Oh, micropenis. Micropenis. A micropenis means you're good in bed. Oh, that's what she said. Oh, micropenis. Oh, the micropenis. You thought you were getting a grapefruit, actually getting a grape. You thought you were getting sex, you're actually getting the micropenis. Oh, micropenis. Oh, micropenis. The micropenis has a way of making everything okay. I hope there's nobody this offends. I have many micropenis friends. Oh, the micropenis. Oh, the micropenis. Oh, the micropenis. Oh, the micropenis. Il micropene. Oh, micropenisu. Le Micropenis. Das kleine Penes. Yinjing, Yinjing, al pene, pequeno. Each language sings so soft and sweet of the graceful micropenis. Oh, micropenis. Oh, micropenis. Oh, micropenis. Oh, micropenis. Oh. I hope nothing will come between us, except maybe a micropenis. Thank you.